Hey, come paint engraved wood earrings with me. Today, here we have a scored marquee cutout using walnut wood. I use a furniture repair marker using the black. So this is a furniture stain. And I'm just going to fill the entire surface. Next, I'm going to use the gold. This is number 23 in the Thule pen. And I'm going to carefully fill in the inner edge. And then carefully fill in the outer edge. And then using the number 26 silver in the same Thule pen series. Oops, I made a mistake there. But it's fixed. It can be fixed. Now I have some affiliate links located in the description. So if you're interested in any of these Thule pens, it'll take you right to my Amazon commission link. So pretty, nice metallic, very dressy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.